Earlier this year, I reviewed these side cup holders for Tesla Model 3 and Y. This was a great addition to my car, but I had two complaints. The depth was too shallow, and the bracket didn't match the black interior of my car. Pimp My EV sent me the version 2 of these cup holders, and looks like they address both of my feedback. To get started with installation, reach under the inside door handle and remove this top plastic clip. Underneath the clip is a Torx screw that helps hold the door panel. Use the Torx wrench that came with the cup holder kit to remove that screw. The new kit came with a longer screw that's shown here in the left than the OEM one that is on the right. So we're actually not going to use the OEM screw and the plastic cover we just removed, and we'll just use the new screw. Next, grab the installation bracket and align the barrel so it goes inside the opening facing up. Both the right side brackets are the same, and then again both the left side brackets are the same, so you can't really get this wrong. After you insert the bracket, you can then go ahead and use the screw to secure it. Make sure it is tight so you don't risk the cup holder falling down. As you can see, they are using a black color bracket to further match the interior of my Tesla compared to the gray bracket that they had in version 1. That was one of my complaints. Finally, all you have to do is align the tab on the cup holder and insert it into the bracket. Apply some force to push it down so it is tightly in place. That's it, the installation is complete. You can follow the exact same method to install this product on the rest of the doors. Here are my thoughts after the installation. I like that this accessory allows you to add 4 additional cup holders to your car in a very convenient location. This also allows the rear passenger to have side cup holders, especially if you have 3 people in the back and they cannot drop the rear armrest to use those cup holders. The deep cup on the V2 cup holders add more stability to the water bottle storage and works really well for taller water bottles. I was a little worried about clearance in the back because these are much larger, but there is still plenty of space to accommodate these cup holders. A couple of things that are still outstanding for me. The V3 cup holders need to be wider so that we can easily fit larger water bottles. Don't get me wrong, the V2s are pretty wide compared to V1, and they can hold some of the wider water bottles, but it would be nice to have a larger, wider base so that we can fit, even a smaller size coffee mugs there. This product looks add-on and probably not very aesthetically pleasing if you like a minimalist interior. This goes for any aftermarket additions that we make to the car, but this one's really stand out. Overall, I'm pretty happy that they changed the design to address my comments from the previous version. These cup holders are a great addition for many people, but definitely not for everyone. That will do it for today's video. I'm going to put a link down below for this product from Pimp My EV and also a special discount code. Thanks for watching. I'll be back again with another Tesla accessory.